Whenever you're working in Premiere Pro and you have really sensitive information that you want to blur, you can do this by, first of all, holding Alt or Option key and duplicating your video layer. And with the one above it, you want to select it. If we go into the effect controls, in the opacity, you'll have the option to create a mask. You can either get yourself a box 4-point, or you can use the pen tool, which will allow you to add in a custom shape to the mask itself. So we're just going to get ourselves the corners. From here, we're going to apply an effect called Gaussian blur. And you want to apply it onto the second video. From here, we're going to increase the blur to around, let's say 50%. And there we go. The reg plate has now been blurred. But the only problem is that it will stay fixed in that one position. And to track this onto the vehicle, we can do this by going back onto the opacity, onto the mask 1. And if you press the track forwards, this will track the entire video on this area. And then once it's finished tracking, you can see it has tracked it for every single second. We have a blurred out registration plate. You will sometimes get certain areas where it will lose tracking or it may not be as accurate, like here. And what you can do in this case is you can zoom in, you can correct it. And now you have the option to either track it forward once, which will do a single keyframe, or you can track it all after this point. You can also track it backwards and a single frame backwards as well. We're just going to do a single frame forward. And because it's still not as accurate, we're going to fix it once again. And this time we're going to track it forwards. And like I said before, you can always stop this at any point, and this will also stop it right there. Since we don't need it around this area, we can stop it right here. To remove the rest of the keyframes, all you need to do is select by left-clicking and dragging this out, pressing delete, getting rid of these keyframes right here. And there we go. It stops right there. You can also cut this as well, since we don't need it any further. And there we go.